So guys, I finally ran out of memory on my Huawei Mate 20 Pro phone, so I had to get one of those maybe terrible Huawei Nano Memory cards. And yeah, the big problem is in Europe. I wanted a 256 gigabytes card, but you can't get them in Europe. Even I looked it up, like Amazon has like 2 or 3 weeks shipping time now on those here, and they are 50 euros. They, yeah, more than twice what a regular SD card costs. Actually, I saw the 200 megabytes SD card I got on my older phones for just 29 euros. So they're not really going with the price, and of course you get the bigger versions as well, but so far I've only seen them on eBay and for prices like up to 150 euros, dollars. So extremely expensive. Yeah, smaller than I would like, and let's just see how it does perform. I tried out some testing software. I found them highly inconsistent, so I'll just try if 4K video does work. So here we need our SIM removal tool. So good luck if you lost this. Of course, it's here, and so it's like you can either have a memory card or a second SIM card. You can have both on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Actually, the screws look quite big for me, only having opened this thing once. For once I am prepared, but actually no, we don't need the scissors. They have like, oh, you can just open it up here. Absolutely unseen stuff. So it's absolutely exactly the same size and droppability like every normal SIM card. No, just fits here in the SIM tray. SIM tray should just fit in the way got around, and now let's start the device. And we'll just try a little bit of 4K video, super time lapse video and stuff. I won't test it too deeply because yeah, the testing software I found will show you guys, but the results are so in every direction. You cannot really call this consistency. I found, like, for example, this software here. We can show, yeah, like what people got with my model of the phone, and yeah, like it's all over the place. So like from 600 megabytes per second down to 53 here, say on read speed, and so it's really I can call this in any way conclusive, say, and yeah, so for the internal memory, say, really, yeah, really not something I would. I plan to do this test, but yeah, actually, it just does not seem to work, or not to a level that we can draw any conclusions. I should have changed it to English. Let's just do this as well. To make the. What does English Germany even mean? Probably what I'm talking all the time. Say, I guess you need to go to storage. See the SD card. There's nothing on it. Should we format it? Let's format the already empty card. And okay, of course, the thing is totally empty now, so this also improves the performance usually a little bit. Let's see if we can even film to the SD card directly. But usually Pictures. Can we even go there? Don't even see an option to go to even have the possibility to save to the SD card. Yeah. Let's see. So here we have priority save on memory card. Let's try the normal video setting. Okay, so this is a global setting. This is nice. So burst photos will be saved locally. Let's try the video, and we are going to 4K. This is of course I think 30 FPS as far as I can tell. Yeah, it should be 30 FPS. So let's just try making a short 4K video, so it's limited to 10 minutes. Maybe let's try some zooming in. Some bright angle. I think like 20 seconds should be enough. So check if this actually ended up in the SD card. Yeah, I would say memory card. This looks like it's saved on the SD card. Yeah, this seems to work quite okay. So no big trouble here. Another thing we can also try is the copying of the files over, which we'll do at the end, I would say. See, yeah, let's do a time slow motion video. I think those are the things which maybe we have in HDR. We have something. Yeah, this is just for photos. Yeah. I really don't find the whole camera system. I've been using it for quite a while, but I'm not. We want to do a slow motion, not a time lapse. Time lapse would actually give us. So this is like the 900 FPS. All the flickering here is just from. That's much more on the screen than in reality. So let's try this. It's the best moment, but it seems to be working. So yeah, it would be quite interesting to get that at the point where that does tip over, because let's see if we got this. I can see the fluid drop. Oh, we got it right after, so like when the fluid got back. So not quite where I wanted it when it went up and then back down on the. Yeah, quite interesting. Yeah, but so far it does seem to work quite okay. Let's see if we maybe can move the files. Did I have like Option to transfer video over. No, not really. Yeah, see. Yeah, so far I'm happy with it, but I'd let you know if there are any problems do emerge with this thing. Seems to work quite well nice for the video, which is a good thing, I would say. And yeah, now I have about the same storage I had with my 200 GB card on my Sony Xperia XZ Premium. Yeah, hopefully this will keep me afloat another month or so. Still would have preferred a 256 GB card, but I'm not willing to pay 150 euros for for a thing which you get for 29 euros or about 30 euros from SanDisk or any other manufacturer. So yeah, really one of the worst features on the Mate 20 Pro, because I think the that half cubic centimeter they saved on internal space is really not worth it. But I think of course it's for them another stream of revenue, because yeah, if you can sell cards for double the price, they're probably making a ton of profit on them. And seeing how they are really sold out in Europe, they're probably selling a whole ton of this and getting richer and richer. So yeah, shame, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Yeah, but at least it seems to be working. So it's not all bad. It's just me being angry, having to overpay. Right, I knew where I was going when I bought it, so can't complain too much. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this informative. As said, when I encounter any problem or stuff, I'll write it in the comments and description. Say, check that out, or ask me any questions if you have them. And if you like my channel, my videos, leave a like, a share, or a subscription is also really enjoyed. And most of all, I like comments. So don't forget to leave a comment here in either direction. Thank you guys. Bye bye.